Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to create official UPC barcodes for Amazon Walkthrough. Let's get into it. If you're planning to sell on Amazon, one of the key things you'll need is a valid UPC barcode for your products. It might sound complicated, but today I'm going to walk you through the entire process of getting an official UPC code and generating the barcode you need for Amazon. Amazon requires that every product has a unique identifier, whether it's an ASIN, a UPC, or another code. For the most part, you'll be using a UPC, which stands for Universal Product Code. But it's not enough just to grab any UPC from the internet. Amazon cross-checks everything with the GS1 database, so your UPC needs to be legitimate. Trying to get around this can lead to problems. For example, using an invalid UPC can result in Amazon flagging your listing, or even worse, someone could steal that UPC and use it for their own product. That's why it's so important to use a GS1 verified UPC, which is the global standard. Let's go ahead and talk about how you can get one. First, you need to go to the GS1 website. It's where all official UPCs are generated. Once you're there, you'll look for the option to get a barcode. Today, we'll focus on getting just one UPC to keep things simple. When you're going through the process, you'll be asked to provide information like the Global Trade Item Number, GTIN. This GTIN is what identifies your product uniquely on a global scale. Next, you'll fill in your brand name. It's very important that the brand name matches the one you've registered on Amazon. So, if you have your brand trademarked or registered with Amazon Brand Registry, make sure to enter the exact same name here. It doesn't have to be your business LLC name. It should be the name your customers see on Amazon. Then comes the product description. Here, you want to be as specific as possible. The more details you include, the easier it is for Amazon to verify that this UPC matches the product you're selling. For instance, if you're selling a particular type of soap, you'll want to include the scent, size, and packaging details. The description should match what you'll put on your product listing, so there's no confusion down the line. After you've filled in all the product details, you'll add the UPC to your cart and move on to checkout. You'll enter your company name, phone number, and address. If your business is tax exempt, you'll have the option to indicate that, but for most people, this won't be necessary. You'll also choose a functional area, which for most Amazon sellers will be e-commerce. Once all this is done, you agree to the terms and proceed to payment. You can pay with a credit card or PayPal, which is typically the fastest way to complete the process. Once you've purchased your UPC, you'll get a 13-digit code. This is the UPC that identifies your product. But having the code is only half the battle. Now, you need to turn that UPC into a barcode that can be printed on your product packaging. Amazon will need this to scan your product when it's processed through their fulfillment centers. To generate a barcode, you can use a free website like Barcodes Tech. You'll input the UPC code, and the site will generate a scannable barcode image, usually in the UPC-A format. This is the standard format Amazon uses, and it's easily readable by their systems. Once the barcode is generated, you can download it in the right format, typically as a PNG image, which you can then add to your product packaging or labels. It's that simple. Following this process ensures that you have a valid GS1 verified UPC that Amazon recognizes. While it might seem tempting to go for cheaper options, like buying UPCs in bulk from other sites, this can lead to big problems later. Spending a bit more upfront for an official GS1 UPC is a small price to pay for avoiding issues with your listings or Amazon flagging your account. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.